It's 5 p.m. and we're on the one of the top decks. This is the view. This is the view of Barcelona. We've been for the emergency evacuation, emergency at sea, what happens tutorial, so we know where we have to go if they have an emergency. But we're hoping there isn't going to be anything. So we're on the top of the deck, one of the top decks, and we know we are going to be moving off soon because they have untied the big strong ropes and we have now started moving. You can see that we're slowly pulling away from the quayside. All the bubbles in the water are being generated by the motors. Yes, it'll be a very, very slow movement, obviously. So, and the sun's still shining. Oh, and there's some lovely cruise ships over there, private boats. That one in the middle is really nice. No, the one on the right hand side, that looks huge. And there's some tourist boats, people have been out on a day trip probably. If only we could hire that one for like a couple of weeks.
If only.
We could go wherever we
we
wanted
could.
to.
Yeah, we could. And go away for a couple of weeks.
Yeah. We could invite all our family and friends.
Yep.
Come
Why
on.
not? Yep.
That's the catamarans. They go on day trips.
Mashallah.
Look.
Now you can tell. Mashallah.
Now you can see we are moving. Look.
Now we are Barcelona.
See?
Definitely moving. Whatever you're singing into my video too.
Copycat.
She's saying exactly what I'm saying into her. She's repeating all the words.
Would you like me to just say it for you? Like hold your phone over, then you won't need to repeat it. I can just say it and you just take it from me.
But you're saying it so
Copyright infringement.
You were saying it so nicely.
Copyright infringement, this is not right. Atia, you can't do that. You have to. I can do it professionally for you if you like.
Oh, look, it's moving.
Yes, we definitely are. Look.
Now we're moving away from the dock and there's Barcelona.
We're saying goodbye to Barcelona for 7 days. We'll be coming back here in 7 days next Saturday.
Away from Barcelona on towards France.
Going to France now, to Cannes. We'll be there in the morning. Hopefully we'll take a trip out off the boat to Cannes. So looking forward to that. And then until tomorrow, bye.